So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your portal URL on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now scroll down and select this website. Now log into your account right here and then click on this profile picture icon and then choose Access Zoho CRM. Now select this settings icon. Now select this portals option. Now you can see your portal URL right here, and if you put your cursor on your URL, you can see this edit button. Now just click on this and now change your old name to your new name. Let's say I want to change my name from Alexander to Ariona. So after changing your name, you just need to click on this button right here, which is called Yes, Proceed. And after that, your portal URL now successfully created and changed. So that's how you guys do it. That's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.